young trap. LMG music about to come up out the bag. All y'all niggas still lack what we got in the track. Steady banging on these hating ass niggas, dog. I'm from the M, that's why they can never shake a dog. I'm red here, steady ballin', steady callin'. Got your girl steady callin', and I draw steady ballin'. I got it big out here, see me running, man. And I ain't tryna say your nigga out here running things, but when I move, everybody move with me. When you see me stuntin', everybody stunt with me. Ain't a lame, ain't a cool ass nigga, just a middle class nigga tryna get some bigger figures. I'm about to stunt on here like I'm rich, cause I'm still getting money tryna work and do my shit. About to hit the schoolhouse and steady rockin'. Got my niggas don't be trippin', cause you know they steady poppin'. My nigga Lil Mitchell just got up out the pen for having the chopper, dog. Ain't that shit some stupid ends, But we still moving, trying to get it right. Every time we out here serving and be in it every night. All y'all niggas better watch and listen to my flow now. I'm kinda slow down now, but I speed it up quick. Hey, that chopper hit you, it split you. All y'all niggas is with you. Ain't everybody gon' run up and tell you we hit you. With a red beam, dog, don't let hit your spleen, dog. Chopper hit your body, split your rockin', that's the third, bro. That's what the soul with it, young skills rockin'. And everybody know what every time we steady poppin' with my nigga JBZ. Bloody K.I.'s will leave your ass bloody, you snitchin' ass biatch. And I can spit this fluff for hours. Ain't got no paper, I just rock it out the power. Chopper is a dome when I'm rockin' on the stone. Yeah, I'm stonin' ass nigga, got the bone, Got my girl, I'm cheap, she's Joan. We be blowin' all the time. If you niggas get wrong, don't blow my high. I'm a little sick. Hey, but that's just a little bit, dog. LMG music, we coming out rocking hard, nigga. Don't get it twisted. That ain't even a real flow. That's just something I was doing, nigga. If you ain't even get through the whole little skit, nigga, that's on you. But shit, fuck it, nigga. That's your boy. You know what I'm saying? LMG music. Oh yeah, nigga, that's that Webby. That G shit. You want G shit. You want G shit.